Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox my personal favorite, which is this one. So this is the Lamborghini Huracan STO. This is by Pop Race, and so I told you guys, I'm going to showcase it to you instead of telling over the video why this is a beautiful piece. So if you remember, we unboxed the Countach 2022 version, the white one by Pop Race, that had openable engine bay and also the front hood. So this is kind of similar. So let's unbox it right away and see how this one looks. So this one is a bit, how I can say, I was a bit more excited for this one because the way you open the hood is based on the real car. Actually, it is on the opposite side. So I do have a couple of castings like that, but not. I don't think I do have anything in the premium range, if you ask me. So I'm just trying to keep the cover intact. Okay, think we did it. Yeah. Okay, here it is. See, I don't know, inside the box it is having some dust. I don't know how it is. So this happens in even mini GT and even in pop race. It's a bit worrisome, if you ask me. Okay, let me just take it out. Nothing else is inside, if you guys are wondering. So I really want to dive into the casting real quick. Okay, so here it is. Okay, it has some level of dust and I can see some fingerprints also. Okay, so the first impressions of the casting, this looks really nice. I mean, it has acrylic headlights here. It is not really heavy, if you ask me. And the rear view mirrors are made of silicone, and it is very delicate, if you ask me. And you can see some fingerprint here, right? I think it is fingerprint. I don't know. It does look like it. Let me just get a cloth and try to wipe it out. Yeah, it went away. So it is fingerprint. And I really don't know. Maybe they are assembling this with their hands, I guess, because I saw some video. How they make mini GT. So they do assemble some parts with their hands. So because you can see some scratches on the windshield here, maybe because of that it is having all the scratches and all. And for the price we are paying, I'm not honestly expecting that. So, but level of detailing is really great, but Pop Race needs to step up when it comes to keeping the quality. So you can see in the tail lights are acrylic, that is really nice. Exhaust details are there, which is really good. So this is a full metal casting, and the spoilers are also metal. So the body is fully metal, chassis is fully metal. It has some level of chassis detailing to it, because right now the cars looks like this, fully closed underbody. And okay, so it has some screws here. You can unscrew this and you can, I mean, customize if you want. So I don't know if this is movable or something. Maybe this is for the hood here, I guess. Okay. Oh man, that just came right away here. You can see this here, right? It didn't stick well. I was not expecting that in a casting like I actually paid like 1,800 for this casting, and this is happening to me. See, I need to put some glue here now. Okay, so let's talk about rest of the casting. And so the interior looks really nice, so true to the car. And it does have openable engine cover. Yeah, so this piece is plastic, this is not metal. Let me just put that aside and I can show you the interior here, the engine detailing on this. So the engine detailing looks really nice. Honestly, compared to the Countach, this is not up to the mark. It's really disappointing to say that because given the price range we are paying for this, and you are looking something like this with some damages and all, and I was not hoping this would happen. Okay, that too being something new. I was hoping this would be magnet, but this is not actually magnet. This is, let me just see. Yeah, this is not magnet. This is just a piece of plastic. You just need to align it right and you need to put it in. Man, they disappointed me really well. Because after I unboxed that Countach, I was hoping this is going to look absolutely beautiful, but I mean, see, Lamborghini always looks beautiful, but they didn't do justice to this casting now. Oh my god. That is hard to put it back, man. I don't know why. I need to put this in, but it is not properly going in. Okay, I think so. Okay. So this part here actually is openable. Let me see if I can. Yeah, here it is. So this is the whole reason I actually bought this casting, but so this part here, I mean, this is very loose. It is not really tight or anything. So this is the hinge, which actually covers, which actually you can see here. Once it is locked, and this piece is, I don't know, it is broken. It is broken. This is actually metal, but it is broken, and still I can't able to put this in properly. I don't know why. It is hard to push it in. Man, that is disappointing from, honestly, very disappointing by Power Brace. So I don't know how, about the casting which you guys are having, the same one I'm talking about. So I'm not really inclined towards buying another one of the same casting, because so while I'm talking to you guys, I'm trying to open this. I can see the other side also popped out here. You can see here. But apart from that, the rims looks really great. I mean, this is true to this casting, and it has a rubber wheels. It has threading as well, which is nice. But again, I'm not really happy with this casting because literally broke in front of me and out of the box. Oh my god. Okay, let's weigh this casting. It's just 41 grams. It is not even that heavy if you ask me. So I was really excited to unbox this one, but it just took everything away from me, to be very honest. It's really disappointing, guys. So let me be very honest with you. If you are planning to buy this particular casting, when it comes to the Countach, I would suggest everyone to buy that one. Even whether it's a white color or even if it's a different color, they didn't even release a red color of that one. So, but the Huracan STO, no, not so much. It is really delicate, especially in these areas, and it is not really closing well. I don't know if it is supposed to have magnets, but I'm not having it in mine. Let me just see. Yeah, see, the magnet actually broke loose. The magnet is here. That is the magnet. If I remove it with my hands, it is coming separately. That is a magnet. I mean, this is really disappointing, for a guy who was waiting for this casting for nearly, I don't know, from September till what? I don't know what is this month. This is May, right? Yeah, till April I waited from last September, and this is what I'm getting. My God, this is disappointing. So, guys, don't buy this casting. This costed me 1,800. Even for 1,500, don't buy this casting. Wait for some time. Wait for Pop Race to fix all these issues. maybe, and then you can. I'm not going to buy this again for a review or anything, but this is really disappointing to see. Okay, let me just do a roll test. Let me just put this. I no use keeping this here. Let's do a roll test. No, it doesn't even roll. Honestly, I don't say anything good about this particular casting. I mean, the engine detailing looks really nice. I would prefer the mini GT version, I mean, even if it doesn't have any openable part. That's it, guys. I said that because when I unboxed the Countach, I personally preferred that one over the mini GT version. Even though mini GT version looked really nice, but that Countach really exceeded my expectation. But this one, it destroyed literally every expectation I had, and it became zero now. So another pop race casting, I don't know whether I will be getting anything. So yeah. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.